Ah ha ha. So you finished your first video. I'm making this about 2 minutes after, started uploading my first one. So here you go. This is the exact same thing we left off with. Press X to delete that. Okay, you should know how to delete. I don't know why I said that. Uh, Start with a plane. Rotate it 90. I'm gonna assume you're a pro at the last video, so I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Press tab. These down like that. Like that. And pressing in, go there, there, and now I'm gonna make a circle. Whoa, what are you doing? You got two objects, dude. You're dumb. I know. I'm talking to myself. I'm kind of high right now. You don't need to know. Make it bigger. Oof. Ooh, let's go, let's go. Bambi. So, why did I make two objects? Huh? What's the matter with you? Are you retarded? Well, what if I want to make something with a hole in it, huh? Don't be judgmental. Okay, let's make it deep. That's what she said. Ha. Yeah. Uh, I could have honestly done it without making two objects. So if I go in here and click circle, it could have been a part of the other vertices. But it's way easier to edit sometimes without having to click around these other vertices and get mixed up. So yeah, that's why I don't delete these. So now this is important. Control J groups them, I guess. That's what it does. I have no idea how to ungroup them. Now, if you're on an iMac or an Apple thing, which I am, it is not Command J. It is Control J. So make sure you know the difference between Control and Command. Because Blender, for some reason, does not use Command for half the stuff. So, press Tab. Now that they're combined, let's select all these things. Actually, I'm gonna... Oh, fuck you. Okay, I don't want to watch your tutorials. I'm making this for you, you cunt. Okay, press E. What the fuck? This is ruining my video. Oh my lord. Okay. So bring it over there. Boom. Look what you got. Now, if I select these and press F. Oh, whoa, what did I just do? Okay. Will that work? Nope. Okay. So I want to fill this in with a hole. Alright. I'm going to select the bottom ones and fill those. And it works. Yay. Select these. Oh, crap, I don't want those. I'm going to reselect it. Get that in. And select those. Oops. Oh, shit. I don't want this one selected right there. Press F to fill that. And get these ones on the side. Press F. Boom! Look what you did. You got yourself a circle. Ha. Oh yeah, and also, let's get these. Get all the outsides. And press E. Bring it back. Wow. Wait. It's being autistic. Alright, that's no problem. We'll just fill it. Nothing wrong about that. Fill that. Bam. No problem anymore. Actually, that's not the most efficient way to do that because the thing will get all weird. So you want to do it individually sometimes, otherwise you'll have a weird curve. Just like that. And then you get it nice instead of all whack. That's how you do that. So I'm gonna make another circle. And I don't like to make objects within other objects, because let's say I wanted to make a circle somewhere in here, like in there, but I didn't want to have to go around all these vertices. Where did my circle go? So I'm going to group them together, and I'll show you why I don't like doing this. So I'll have to go through here, and I can't select vertices through faces, and it just doesn't work. Alright, I get pissed off when I do this. So I can't even select half my vertices. So that's why I don't make a circle, usually, within the other object. I make it as with like a different object, and then I group it. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to delete this, because this is why you don't do this, alright? Just don't make it within the other object if you don't want it to be. So now if I was to say make a circle, rotate it. Now if you're rotating, please use this, because this looks weird. Okay. So there. Now if I go to edit mode, I can select the vertices within there. Okay. I can actually do it. Still, I don't really like to, so I'll bring it out here, do my work out here, maybe like that, and then I'll bring it in, and then group it, Control J, and Command Z, or Control Z, whatever, to undo it. So yeah, so now you know the difference of making a circle as a separate object and within the object. Okay, I could have probably made this within the object, but I just don't like doing that. No one should do that. Mirroring. So let's say I want to get the same thing on this side. So copy it. It's copied. Yeah. Put it back. Control M, and you click the axes. You want it to go over. So I'm gonna press X because it's the X-axis. I think green is X. Now I can smooth it over and boom. Haha. Yay. Wow. Now if I was to do, oh, just do any. Okay. So if I was to mirror it with fuck off, damn it, Control Control M, and then Y, it would go over different axes. So using mirroring and Control M, make sure you know which axes you're doing. Sometimes I had a problem with this. Like if I did Control M and I did X, it may have came out like that or something, and I would try to mirror and mirror forever, but it wouldn't work. So one time I figured this out. I clicked rotate, and I just tried a bunch of whole angles and clicked on it crap, and eventually it actually worked. I don't really know how you can like find this yourself. Maybe look it up. Do like a 45 or something and press X, and maybe it'll get perfect. I don't know. Just if that happens, just know that you should probably rotate it instead of trying to mirror it for an hour. So I think grouping and mirroring is all you really need to know. Next, with also making a circle within an object and out of an object. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. You're probably confused as hell. You want this video to end, so I'm letting it end. Alright. I'm gonna delete that. Make a circle. Now, I'm actually gonna do this for a purpose now instead of just showing you how stuff. Up here. What the fuck is this? I want to rotate. There we go. Let's rotate it. Constraint axes. So it's not all floopy. See again. 55. Yeah. You guys will have this in no time. It's really easy. This would just work. There we go. Bam. Gotta size it down. So, say I want this to be black and this to be gray. If you want to learn how to texture, that's up to you. I don't know how. I never cared for it. So, this is gonna be my metal pole, and it's gonna be like a black thing. I don't know. Um, so first of all, when you're ready to export everything into Roblox, this is very, very important that you do. Otherwise, it's going to come out half invisible. So you press Tab, select all vertices with A, go to Mesh, Faces, and Solidify. Make thickness to 0, and do that for all your objects. It's already 0. So now that I solidified both my objects, now they will not be invisible when it goes to Roblox. The reason I'm not grouping these together is because I want to export them separately so I can have them look different. So to do that, I generally just press X on one and click File, Export, FBX. I have a whole mesh folder too. It's much easier to store. So video retard thing. Actually, just do video thing. Export that. Go to Roblox, Advanced Object, Mesh Part, Properties, select your file. That was earlier. View thing. Open that. Ah, shit. What is this? Okay, I've come to I have become. Fuck me. I have come across this before. Just click yes, I guess. And if it doesn't work, if the mesh comes like invisible or something, re-upload it. I mean, don't like re-upload it, but reopen it with this and click no next time. I'll resize it, sure, and I don't want it to run away, so I'll click no. There we go, it worked. There you go, you got your mesh. Just resize it down, I guess. And I'm gonna make this like black, as I said. And I get the other one. Honestly, you guys don't have to see me do that. You guys get the point. So, yeah. If I exported the other one, there would be a little bar going around right here. I would just have to position it myself. If you try to not resize and give it the data, it will not go to the same spot for some reason. I've tried. It does not go to the same spot, and you'll just have to manually put it into the position and rotation. Except not rotation, because it's always the same. There you go. You got your thing. You know how to make everything now. If you have questions on how to do something or want a better video, actually, if you have questions, look it up. If you want video, if you want another video, go fuck yourself and go die in a rotting hole. Because this video is amazing. Just kidding. It's probably trash. I don't think I did a very good job.